Okay, my dear children, welcome to your maths class. So, we have all been through our exams. We have finished Sunday, having fun on Sunday. So, since it is Monday again, let us get back to our class. All right. So, we have been doing the chapter fractions 2. And what have we learned so far? We have learned about mixed fractions. Remember? We had learned about mixed fractions and how to add mixed fractions, how to subtract mixed fractions, how to compare mixed fractions. Children, let me stress. When I say compare mixed fractions, what do I mean? Compare means I need to know which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller. Okay, that is what I mean by comparing mixed fractions. Today we are going to be starting with our exercise 10.1. Okay, we will be doing exercise 10.1. Let's get started. In your exercise 10.1, children, if you will notice, the first question is a multiple choice question. Very easy. Okay. The first question is, a fraction whose numerator is dash than the denominator is called an improper fraction. So, in an improper fraction, the numerator is always greater than the denominator. So, the answer is greater. Okay, option C. Because in an improper fraction, denominator is always smaller than the numerator. Okay. That means the numerator is always greater than the denominator. Okay? Alright. Let's move on to the next question. A fraction whose denominator is greater than the numerator. We have already been with these questions. In question number 2, what will that be? A fraction whose denominator is greater than the numerator is called an improper fraction, proper fraction, mixed, or both A and B. Definitely a proper fraction. Only in a proper fraction, the denominator is greater than the numerator. For example, 2 by 5. Okay, where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Let us move on to question number 3. In question number 3, the combination of a whole number and a fraction. This is what we have been doing so far. So, the combination of a whole number and a fraction is called option A, mixed fraction. Children, please note these questions down. Okay. In your PT2 exams, I have noticed that many children made very silly mistakes in multiple choices. Okay. Whole number and a fraction. For example, 1 by 2. Okay. Let us move on to question number 4. An improper fraction of the form 2 1 by 3 is, so you have 2 1 by 3, right? You have to make an improper form. What is an improper fraction? Numerator greater than the denominator. So how do you do that? You take the whole number, multiply it with the denominator, then add it with the numerator. Remember? Whole number, multiply it with the denominator, plus add numerator, divide the whole thing by the denominator. Okay, here the whole number is 2. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. What do you get? 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3. So what is your answer, children? The answer is option B. Okay. Let's move on to question number 5. In question number 5, children, to add two mixed fractions, what do we do? To add two mixed fractions, the first thing we do is convert it to the improper form. So the answer is option A, improper. Right? Question number 6 is again very simple. Question number 6 is again very simple. You have to convert 6 1 by 2 to improper form. Now to convert a mixed fraction into an improper form, what did we do? This is the formula that we use. Whole number multiplied by the denominator, add with the numerator, and then express it under the same denominator. So I get 6 multiplied by 2 plus 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 2. So what is the answer? The answer is option C. Please note it down in your copies, children. Okay? Alright. Children, question number 7 and 8 is very easy. All you have to do is convert it into the improper form. Okay? So let me tell you. Then question number 7 and 8 is your homework. Question number 7 and question number 8 is your homework. Okay? Let us move to question number 9. You have to find the mixed form. You have to find the mixed form of the fraction 9 by 2. So what do we do to find the mixed form? Divide 9 by 2. Okay. I know that 2 4s are 8. You get remainder 1. So what happens is that 9 by 2, the quotient is your whole number. Okay. The quotient is your whole number. The remainder is the numerator. And the divisor is your denominator. Okay. So 9 by 2 can be written as 4. That is your whole number. 1 is the numerator. 2 is the denominator. Okay. Clear? Very good. Alright. So, question number 9. The answer is 4 1 by 2. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let us very quickly do question number 10 and 11. Let us move on. Let us move on to question number 10 and question number 11. Question number 10. In question number 10, you have to add 1 by 4 plus 2 1 by 4. See children, very easy. So, what do you have to do? You have to take the whole number, multiply it with 4 denominator, then add the numerator divided by 4. Alright? In the next fraction, take 2, multiply it with the denominator 4, then add 1, okay? And divide the entire thing by 4. Okay? Once you have done that is you are converting the mixed fractions to improper fractions. Once you have done that, evaluate the numerator. That means do the calculations. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5 by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 divided by 4. Okay. This can also be written as 9. So all you have is 5 plus 9 divided by 4. And how much is that? 14 by 4. Right? Now this is a mixed fraction, children. We have to convert it into improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. So divide 14 by 4. How much will you get? 4 3s are 12 and 2. So your quotient is your whole number. Remainder is the numerator divided by the denominator. The answer is 3 2 by 4. Okay, children? Simple. We have already discussed that. That is your question number 10. Right? Also, children, Question number 11 and 12 are very similar. So question number 11 and question number 12 are homework. Okay. Question number 11 and question number 12 are homework. Okay. Let us do question number 13. Let us try question number 13. In question number 13, you have 2, 1, 3 by 7 must be minus 1, 1 by 4. What is the first step to be done, children? The first step that we can do is convert it into improper fraction. 7 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 plus 3 divided by 7. Right? On the other hand, 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 divided by 4. That means what is the first step? Convert into improper fractions. Okay, step 1. Right? Then evaluate this. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17 divided by 7. Minus 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. So I get 5 by 4. Now unlike the previous problem, are they like fractions? Do they have the same denominator? No. So we have to find the LCM. LCM of 7 and 4 is equal to 7 multiplied by 4. Why is that? Because alright children, so 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Since I am multiplying the denominator with 4, I will also have to multiply the numerator with 4. On the other hand, I have to make this denominator into 28. What will I do? I will multiply 4 with 7. Since I am multiplying the denominator with 7, I will also multiply the numerator with 7. So what do I get after multiplication? 17 multiplied by 4 would be 68. And on this side, I'll have 35 by 28. Right? So this will be equal to 68 minus 35 divided by 28. You know why? Because they are like fractions. All I have to do is subtract the numerator. Once I subtract 68 from 35, how much will I get? For 8 minus 5 is 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, 33 by 28. Now see children, here the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let me make a workspace and divide 33 by 28. It will go by 1. I'll get 28. What is the remainder? The remainder is 5. Because 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay. So what will be my final answer? My final answer would be 1 will be the whole number. So 1, 5 by 28. Okay. So this is my final answer. 1, 5 by 28. Okay children. So this is how we subtracted two mixed fractions. I hope it is clear to you. And if you have any problems, please get back to me. Please do the homework along with the classwork and submit it in the Google Classroom. I want everyone to do that. Okay? I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.